Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg salad using an easy method. First, let's get those eggs ready. Boil 6 to 8 large eggs for 10 to 12 minutes to ensure they are perfectly hard-boiled. Once cooked, immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and makes them easier to peel. Gently peel the cooled eggs under cold running water to help the shells slide right off. This simple start sets the stage for a fantastic egg salad. Now that your eggs are peeled, it's time to chop them. Roughly chop the hard-boiled eggs into small, uniform pieces. You want a good texture, not too fine, not too chunky. Next, let's prepare our creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of your favorite mustard. Then, season it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. This simple base creates a rich and flavorful dressing for your egg salad. With your eggs chopped and your dressing ready, it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold the chopped eggs into the creamy mayonnaise mixture until everything is well combined. For a delightful crunch and freshness, incorporate 2 tablespoons of finely chopped celery. If you want to elevate the flavor even more, add 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped chives or dill. These additions truly make your egg salad shine, giving it that classic, irresistible taste. Your delicious egg salad is almost ready. For the best flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. You can serve it on toasted bread, with crackers, or even in crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a picnic. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your homemade egg salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.